Good morning, children. I am Ruchika, your English teacher. As we are doing course book Unit 5 Games and Sports, the first section I had explained, and now I am going to explain section 3 Sports Day, that is a short poem. How would you feel if you didn't do well in any of the races you took part in on Sports Day? Is winning always important? Children, this poem is written by David Threadgold. This was written from memories I had of my earlier school days. I means here David. We were taught it was always best to work as a team if we wanted to achieve our true potential. We were matched up with different people in normal lessons. This was to help with character building. It enabled us to meet and converse with everyone in the class. But when it come to sports, we always had 4 teams and we wore a colored sash. This team was to follow us throughout our schooling and was a measure of the team's activities. But one thing I remember above all other was that it was the taking part, not the winning. And this has always helped me throughout my life in so many different ways. If you don't take part, how will you ever know what is possible? Now children, read the poem. This was a summary of the poem. Now read the poem once. I remember our school sports day where we all went out to race. I remember jumping in a sack and falling on my face. He was remembering the sack race of school. I remember someone calling out, next race is starting soon. I remember running down the field with a stupid egg and spoon. I remember throwing bean bags at a circle on the floor. I remember not being very good but going back for more. I remembered colored sashes and I wore the color green. I remember what we won that day. It was not easy to be seen. I remember looking at the score. We were still at the beginning. I remember what our teacher said. It's the taking part, not the winning. So this is the poem. And who is the speaker here? Speaker here is a grown-up child. And I means David Threadgold. And speaker here used I remember again and again in this poem because he was remembering the childhood memories. Children, read this poem.